In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Pipedrive. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to export your data with ease, ensuring that you have all the information you need at your fingertips. Let's get started by navigating to your Pipedrive homepage. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard where you manage your deals and contacts. This is the starting point for exporting data. It's important to feel comfortable with this interface since, from here, you'll access most functionalities of Pipedrive. Now, move your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice an icon with 3 dots. This is often referred to as the More Options or Overflow menu. It's a feature in many applications that offers additional settings or actions that didn't fit elsewhere in the menu. Clicking on these dots will reveal a menu with several options. You'll want to look for the one labeled Export Data. Once you've found and clicked on Export Data, you'll be directed to a new page. This new page allows you to refine what data you'd like to export. At this stage, take a moment to carefully review your data options. You can typically choose to export data from different categories within Pipedrive, such as deals, contacts, organizations, and more. Ensuring you select the appropriate data set is crucial for streamlining your workflow later on. After you've selected the desired data to export, look for the button or link that says Export. Clicking this will initiate the export process. A key point to remember is that the time it takes to process the export may vary depending on how much data you are trying to export, but don't worry, Pipedrive will handle this quickly in the background. Once the export process has finished, you'll usually receive a notification within Pipedrive. At this point, the export file will be ready for download. Head over to the File Download area, which you can typically access from the original export data page or from your email if you've chosen email notification settings for exports. Finally, click on the file link provided. This action will download the file to your computer. Make sure to save the file in a location you'll remember, allowing you to easily access it whenever you need your data in a different format or for another purpose. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough for exporting your data from Pipedrive. With these steps mastered, you'll have no trouble managing your data exports efficiently and can spend more time focusing on analyzing that data to improve your business strategy. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.